Hi, Rudy. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make sensory bottles for your kids. So basically all you need is an empty bottle. Could be water bottle, Gatorade bottle, doesn't really matter, just an empty bottle. I put some dish soap in it just so that there's some bubbles in it, just so it looks a little cooler. You usually use glitter glue, some glitter, or food coloring. Food coloring gives it like extra color. So today I just have clear water and put some dish soap in it. So you take the glitter glue of your choice, put it in the bottle. Then you go ahead and take your glitter as well. You just pour it in. Pour in your glitter. Cover it up. Usually for when we're doing these in the classroom with the kids, we like to crazy glue the top just so that the kids don't spill it. So you take that and then you shake it up. And now you have a sensory bottle. So the kids look at it, they look at all the different colors. We usually put more than one color in here just so the kids can identify the colors and tell us. They can also be used as calming bottles. So when the kids are a little upset, we sit them down, talk to them, and we let them play with this, and it usually calms them down watching it flow from top to bottom and all over. So again, with food coloring, it's a lot cooler and it's a lot nicer and it gives it more color. But today we just have glitter and glitter glue. And that's it.